factoring quadratic trinomial when the leading coefficient is no longer equal to 1. But of course, it should not be equal to 0. Otherwise, it is no longer a quadratic trinomial. So, 2a squared plus 7a plus 3. We're going to apply here the technique which is what we call slide, divide, bottoms up. Unang gagawin dyan, slide muna. So, yung 2, imumultiply lang yan sa 3. So, yung sa last term. So, tawag dyan ay slide. A squared plus 7a plus 2 times 3 that is equal to 6. The next, sunod naman na gagawin, ipa-factor natin yung 6 na kung saan ang ating magiging factor, yan, pag pinag-add, equal dapat yan sa middle term na 7. So, yan yung ating middle term. So, a plus 6 multiply to a plus 1. Since nag-multiply tayo dyan ng 2, so ang gagawin natin, i-divide natin yung 2 na yan dun sa initial factor. So, i-apply naman natin yung pangalawang step. We're going to divide the factor by 2. Kung ano yung coefficient na in-slide ninyo. So, the final answer would be a plus 3. Yan, 6 divided by 2, that is 3. Then, to naman, gagawin natin yan, bottoms up. Yan, so bottoms up, ililipat lang yung denominator na yan dun sa coefficient ng first term. So, magiging 2a plus 1. So, yan na yung magiging sagot. 3m squared minus 5m plus 2. So, ganun pa rin ang gagawin. Slide natin yan. So, imumultiply lang natin. 3 times 2. So, magiging expression natin, m squared plus 5m plus 6. Okay, so next, factor natin yung 6 dito. So, since negative yung middle term natin at positive yung ating last term, so dapat parehas na negative yung factor na kukunin. So, ang factor natin dyan, negative 3 and negative 2. Pag pinag-add yan, makukuha nyo yung middle term na negative 5. M minus 3 multiply to M minus 2. So, i-divide natin yung mga factor na yan sa coefficient. That is 3. So, kung ano yung minultiply ninyo sa last term, yun yung i-divide ninyo sa factor. So, divide muna natin. Negative 3, divide nyo sa 3, that is 1. So, kaya meron tayong M minus 1. Dito naman, bottoms up. So, ibig sabihin yan, iaangat lang natin yung denominator. So, magiging 3M minus 2. So, yan na yung final answer. Meron tayong 5x squared plus 7x minus 6. So, slide natin ulit to. So, mumultiply lang yan. So, meron tayong x squared plus 7x minus 30. Since ang ating last term ay negative at ang middle term natin ay positive, so dapat magkaiba yung sign ng factor na kukunin kasi negative yung last term. So, ang factor natin, yung isa ay negative, yung isa naman ay positive. So, ano yung factor natin ng 30 na kung saan pag ang difference ng factor ay equal sa 7. So, ano yung mga factor ng 30? Negative 3 and positive 10. Pag pinag-add natin to, that is equal to positive 7, which is the middle term. So, we now have the x minus 3. Yan, meron tayong x minus 3 multiply to x plus 10. Okay, so then we are going to divide both factor by the coefficient, yung in-slide natin. So, i-apply natin yan yung sinasabi ko kaninang divide. So, divide natin yan, both factor by 5. Ayan. Then, simplify natin. Dito, pwede natin i-divide yan. Ayan. Dito naman, hindi natin ma-divide. So, gagamitin natin yan yung bottoms up. Okay, so, now we have now the final answer. That is, 5x minus 3. Bottoms up lang yan. Then, dito naman, di-divide natin. 10 divide nyo sa 5, that is, we have positive 2. 4n squared plus 7n minus 15. Okay, next. Slide natin muna to. So, multiply lang. So, we have n squared plus 7n minus 60. So, factor of negative 60. So, ang factor natin dito, dapat yung isa ay negative at yung isa naman ay positive. So, ano yung factor ng 60? Yung difference ng factor ay equal sa 7. Yung isa negative, yung isa naman ay positive. So, we can have positive 12 and negative 5. So, the difference will be equal to positive 7 and that is the middle term. N minus 5 multiply to n plus 12. Try natin dito, divide. Divide natin yung factor ng coefficient which is 4. So, dito, gagawin natin bottoms up. Yan. Hindi natin masimplify yung negative 4/5. So, the final answer would be 4n minus 5 multiplied to divide. So, we have n plus, divide natin yan, that is 12. Divide nyo sa 4, that is equal to 3. 7k square minus 11k minus 6. So, slide. So, slide meaning multiply natin yung 7 times negative 6. So, we now have k square minus 11k minus 42. So, factor of negative 42. One factor must be negative and the other should be positive. So, ano yung factor ng negative 42 na kung saan ang difference ng factor dapat equal sa 11. So, isa dyan dapat negative, yung isa naman positive. Negative 14 and positive 3. Okay, pag pinag-add natin to, dapat equal yan sa negative 11. So, that is negative 11. Sorry for that one. Should be negative 11. K minus 14 multiply to K plus 3. So, divide natin yan. Since nag-slide tayo dyan ng 7. So, divide natin yan both by 7. So, 14, divide nyo sa 7, that is equal to 2. And 3 over 7 cannot be, so you're going to use the bottoms up. So, iaangat lang natin yung 7 dyan. So, magiging coefficient siya ng k. So, the answer would be k minus 14 divide nyo sa 7, that is 2. Then, bottoms up, so that means 7k plus 3. So, that will be the final answer.